I know. I'm extremely late to the party. Sellou normally is something that is prepared in advance of the month of Ramadan, about a week before or within a week before, and stored so that it's consumed slowly throughout the holy month. As usual, I put the ingredients on the screen in the beginning just so that you follow along. This is going to be quick and easy. Sellou is prepared over a few days because a lot of the ingredients need to be prepped, meaning flour, sesame seeds, both of these things have to be toasted beforehand, and then the next day, that's when you mix everything together. Preheat the oven at about 350. Spread the flour onto a pan and the sesame seeds as well into the oven until the sesame seeds are golden brown and they have that nutty taste, and until the flour is a little brownish, or you can see that it was cooked without being burned. You're going to need to take it out, flip it around and mix it so that bottom flour is also cooked. Boil almonds, not for too long, just until you see that they can be easily peeled. Line the almonds on a baking sheet and put them in the oven for a little bit until they're golden brown. Grind the sesame seeds, put them in a bowl. Then you're going to also grind the almonds with those sesame seeds. Throw some flour on it. Mix it all together. Of course, I'm using my hands. Cinnamon, anise. Anise? Is that how you say it? Melted butter. Mix together again. It already starts smelling so nice because of the cinnamon and anise, and also the nuttiness of the sesame seeds. Then sweetener. For this recipe I used just a little bit of honey because I don't like it overwhelmingly sweet, and I like to be able to add sweetener whenever I want to, not necessarily the whole batch being too sweet. And there we go. It's just delicious and filling. A nice little snack to have between meals at night, between the two main meals, meaning Iftar and Suhoor. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.